In this video, we will talk about the types of value, which is a most important topic of the valuation. There are many types of value. First one is book value. Book value is the amount of a property shown in the books after allowing necessary depreciations year-wise. It is the amount of property shown in account book. The book value is reduced every year by the calculated amount of depreciation. It does not change from one place to another, and it is the independent of market value. Book value equal to original cost of a property minus amount of depreciation allowed per year. Second one is scrap value. A scrap value is defined as the value of dismantled buildings. It is the value of steel, bricks, timber, etc., which we get after dismantling the building. It is usually 10% of the total cost of the construction. A scrap value equal to sale of usable material minus cost of dismantling and removal of the rubbish material. It may be negative or positive. Salvage value. Salvage value is the value of building at the end of the utility period without being dismantled. After completing the utility period, building can be sold at its salvage value. A speculative value. It is the value at which a property is bought, keeping in mind that its value will increase in near future. The person who purchases such property at a low price is called a speculators. The speculators sell the property again at profit after a short period without spending any amount on its development. Distress value. If the value of a property gets lower than its market value, then its value is called distress value. Property is sold on its distress value when the owner is in need of money or under compulsion. It is always less than the market value. Market value. It is the value of a property at which it can be sold in the open market at a particular time. It varies with time according to demand and supply. It does not depend on depreciation and is not reduced every year. The market value may go high at some places and may go down at other places due to means of transportation, population movement, and other factors. Monopoly value. When land is not available in a particular locality, the owners of limited land demand fancy value. Such value of a property is known as monopoly value. It is always higher than normal market value. Some property or buildings possess special advantages with respect to their location, frontage, size, or shape, etc. In this case, such property has monopoly value. Sentimental value. When the property is sold or purchased at the higher value than the market value due to sentiments of the owner or purchaser of the property is called as sentimental value. The owner may be very much attached to the property, so he or she demands fancy value. If purchaser likes a property due to their class or design, or if purchaser thinks this building or this property is ideal for him, then he is ready to pay fancy price. Thus the value of property goes to higher than market value, which is called sentimental value. Thank you.